Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add downloadable products to your Bigcommerce store. Offering digital downloads like PDFs, software, music, or ebooks lets us sell products instantly without needing to manage physical inventory. To add downloadable products, we first go to Products. On the left part of the dashboard, we find and select Products. We click this Products, and then we need to click Add here. Next, we click the product name link. We name the product something like Download File Sample. For the product type, we choose Digital Type. Then we select the brand. We pick from the available options based on our preferences. We can also add one or more categories if we want. In the description, we write a short overview of the product. In the Images and Video section, we upload here. We can also add the URL. To upload files, we select the files to upload and open like this. We can also upload videos. If we want to combine several files, we can zip them into one file for download. Now, we choose the file we want. This can be any file related to our product. For example, we set the maximum number of downloads, like 3 or 5 downloads. We can also set an expiry date for the downloads, such as 30 days. We can choose weeks, months, or years as needed. Once everything is set, we click Save. We can also set pricing and other settings. The important part is to make sure the downloadable files are added. When we are done, we simply click Check. If we want to add more customizations, we can add modifiers and options, and even choose different fonts. After finishing these steps, we click Save. Let's wait for it to load, as the upload time depends on the file size. Once the upload is complete, we can see the product in our storefront by clicking this. Now, our downloadable products are ready. Always test the checkout process to make sure customers receive the files smoothly after purchase.